Stop your hair removal routine might be damaging your skin. Natural waxing is the gentle secret more women are switching to. If your skin gets irritated easily, this changes everything. Natural wax removes hair without harsh chemicals. Perfect for sensitive skin and mature skin types, helps reduce ingrown hairs over time. Leaves skin softer and smoother longer than shaving. Mistake: waxing when hair is too short. Mistake: applying wax too hot. Mistake: skipping skin prep. Mistake: pulling wax the wrong direction. Start with clean, dry skin, no oils or lotion. Light exfoliation helps wax grip better. Trim hair to the ideal length for best results. Always do a small patch test first. Sugar wax is the most beginner-friendly option. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Pull quickly and close to the skin, not upwards. Work in small sections for better control. Soothe skin immediately with a cool compress. Use fragrance-free moisturizer to calm skin. Avoid heat and tight clothing for 24 hours. Keep skin hydrated to maintain smoothness. Consistent waxing leads to finer, slower hair growth. The real secret: gentle technique beats expensive products. Natural waxing isn't just hair removal, it's skincare with results you can feel.